Wait, what did you said TMEs? Is that, what is the Cisco jargon? I'm going to call these humans. We have our three humans, each possessed in remarkable skill and knowledge about a Cisco product line. And now it's time to vote, American Idol style. Why don't you each give us a very, very quick summary of what it is that your product line represents? What are you here to talk about?
Maybe they could stand in the order of the 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's a good idea. So who's number one?
There's me.
You're number one. Okay, so what are you here for?
I'm here to pitch about the whole store-in-a-box concept. So you just need one router in your store. You can throw away all your rack-mount servers or your standalone servers.
Okay.
One box.
Store in a box.
Store in a box.
All right. Next.
If I get store in a box or OTV, I'm here to pitch about cloud. That's where we're all going. It's all about cloud, baby.
I hear the cloud is popular with the kids. All right.
I'm here to pitch DCI, moving VMs around between different data centers, doing mobility, and mainly talking about OTV and list.
Can I ask you, does that involve storage? Oh, okay. We'll forget that then. All right. You almost had a secret inside line. Okay. All right. So we have store in a box. Okay. We need some way of judging this. Great. Okay.
We're gonna do by
I think we go by volume.
By volume.
No acclamation.
Okay. All right. How about we raise your hands and you can vote for as many as you want, and whoever doesn't get a lot. No, that doesn't make sense. Okay. Okay. Each of you can vote for only 2. Okay.
We're obviously making
Who
this
likes
up as we go.
store in a box? Store in a box. Oh. Okay. That's not looking good. Who likes single sign-on with 1 PHA integration with UCS? Raise your hand. Come on, I said you can vote for 2. Who are you going to vote for? All right. And the virtualization thing. I'm sorry. You too. It's been nice knowing you.
Back in the box.
That's it. Hey, this suddenly started working. Okay, here, I'm going to give you this. In the meantime, does anybody know any networking jokes? Does anybody have any SDN jokes?
Wait, a network engineer walks. A girl walks into a network engineering walk. Oh, that's the joke.
Router very carefully.
That's hilarious. I think we might get electrical out of it.
No idea.
Is this on?
You need a charger. Do you want my charger? You have a charger?
So the SDN controller crashes into a bar and the whole network falls down. No?
It's a little work. I'll give it a little Guys actually put so much you guys at the tech conferences with me. This place smells of Cheetos and desperation.
She seems like a cool chick.
I think she is.
I would think so.
So we've been while he's setting up, we've been doing the laptops around the Tech Field Day table thing. The official tally is out of 12 delegates, we have 9 MacBook Pros and 3 sad PCs.
So sad.
And it's been changing. Right? Romar, remember you were at Tech Field Day 2, and there weren't many MacBooks around that table. I had one, but there was only a couple of them. Was anybody here at Tech Field Day 1? Oh yeah. No, Tech Field Day 1. Even before Networking Field Day. Do you remember the ladder with the sign on it?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Yeah.
Well, drove around with a ladder with a little plastic sign on it. We put it up for every day.
And we had a display, a live display of the Twitter stream up in front of the audience.
Mm-hmm. That was because back then nobody had Twitter accounts.
Yeah.
None of the vendors had Twitter accounts.
And they didn't.
That was such a long time ago. Almost 2.5 years ago, really.
Hey, that was almost 4 years ago.
4 years ago, wow.
Can you believe it? And I don't look a day older.
No, you don't.
No. You're getting
It is. It's the Botox injections to my skull.
Remember your first projector?
What?
Remember your first projector?
First projector? The little dim one? I still have that one with me, actually, if you'd like me to use it. I keep it as an emergency projector. It's got like, I think it actually is rated at 50 lumens, and I think that's optimistic. You know, and that's not a lot of light. Yeah, you had to turn off all the lights. Poor Ashutosh, like Tifio, presented with that, and it was very dark in there.
Well, it didn't hurt them getting, you know.
Yeah, and now like Tifio has just raised like I think a third round of funding and has tons and tons of money and is growing like crazy.
Maybe they're going to use
so
it by
clearly
better
they should use
projectors.
my projector all the time. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. So we've had a whole bunch of companies launch at Tech Field Day. We've had I think 5 companies come out of Stealth at Tech Field Day. We've got 2 coming out at Networking at Storage Field Day next month. 2 companies at one event. I tell you who they are,
Then they wouldn't be stuck.
then they wouldn't be Stealth anymore.
And he'd have to kill you.
Let's just put it out to Twitter. What 2 companies are coming out at
I
Tech?
think that would be a good idea. Go ahead.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we had a Nimble Storage, yeah, Actifio, Zerto, who else? Was it in Brain?
Yes, Embrain did.
Yeah, and
Well, no, they technically didn't. They didn't come out of
That's
Stealth.
right,
They gave an
didn't
embargoed
launch it.
presentation.
Okay.
Was Broken still at Embry?
Druva.
Yep, Druva.
Was Broken still at Embry?
What one?
I don't need it, but I want it.
What's the number of the storage building?
Storage Field Day 3, SFD 3. Yep, so we've got 2 Stealth companies there. Plus one that just came out of Stealth, Pernix Data. Pernix. Yeah, it's funny with Pernix, I had leftover United Airlines upgrade certificates that were going to expire, so I went out on Twitter and said, who's flying and needs an upgrade to first class? And I got an email from, or a Twitter DM from some guy that I didn't really know saying, I'll take one. And I got some from another guy that I didn't really know saying, I'll take one. So I upgraded these guys to first class. And it turns out one of those guys was the CEO of Pernix Data.
Nice.
And that had nothing to do with them coming to Tech Field Day. It wasn't actually his call, but I was like, oh, hey, that was good. I guess what comes around goes around, right? You know, you do nice things for people and they'll do nice things.
We keep trying to do product launch, but we don't get time for it, so one of these days.
So we're gonna do maybe some preso slides, but then also questions and want people to jump in when they have.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Because I've already gotten a couple of questions about storage-related stuff and OCD.
Storage related stuff.
Yeah, but it's iSCSI.
That's Stephen's
I just wanna make sure we don't have death by PowerPoint at any time. I like y'all alive, generally.
Well, since we're here at Cisco, I have to give a shout
And
out
you
to
get
Jay
a data
Brown.
center interconnects, there's also storage.
Yeah, unicorns.
He's my storage frenemy.
Yeah, it's working like it.
I love you, Jay. Do people still do storage? Yeah.
These ones here on
You're
Sunday.
not gonna believe it, but Cisco used to have a fiber channel product line. Oh! Snap! No, he didn't.
Still got a few of the MDSs.
I think Omar was one of the few people who actually knew about it.
Yes, I think he knew quite a bit about it.
Sad but true. I used to do storage buildings. I should tell you something.
I was at the MDS, the original MDS product launch at Storage Decisions in Chicago in sometime, I don't remember when, 2004 or 5 or whatever that was.
I was thinking like 1804.
1804, oh, yeah, because it's fiber channel, right? You guys are so funny.
So that way you
The
can
frames
actually
are
into
shorter
your
back
cover
then.
point right now still.
Frames are so much shorter.
Yeah, the frames are shorter, and they live closer to the water too. Yeah.
The shorter the cables are thicker.
And we all had beards.
Neck beards. How you coming?
Nothing's wrong with a neck beard. Your network will run stronger and longer with a neck beard. Well, you're one exception.
Oh no!
That didn't sound good.
No, it was fine.
Okay.
That was just me.
Just a little radiation leak.
Nothing to see here.
We have it under control.
Think Colin's gonna do it?
Huh?
Think Colin's gonna do it?
Do what?
Read Metz's response.
Oh.
I think he will.
Come on, Colin.
Oh, did Matt say something?
Apparently, you deserve a big sloppy kiss.
Aw, thanks from you, Colin.
Yeah.
That'd be
Well,
great.
not, Jay said to do it, not that he'd do it, but he needs one.
Oh, he needs one.
No,
He
you
needs
need
a kiss. Oh, I need
Give
one.
him a big wet sloppy kiss for me.
I think I could have finished my store in
A
about.
big furry kiss.
Yeah. So, you know how popular Fiber Channel over Token Ring has become?
Oh yeah.
It's not as popular as Fiber Channel over
5,000 more tokens. Oh, so Fiber Channel.
Is that gonna be enough?
That's the third series. I don't think it's gonna be enough.
No, what happens when the network runs out of tokens?
Well, you know those old company corporate campuses? With like, you know, those.
Oh, wait, is it 5,000?
There's just 1,000 tokens everywhere you go. It's really sad. I mean, IBM really should have taken care of that back in the day.
They should have.
Yeah. Yeah.
They were burning them in effigy when they finally converted all their campuses over. And that was in
You all
03.
set?